Harlem is always colder for some reason. Every time I get up this damn train. Oh, and my anemic ass. I got my iron pills yesterday. I don't like taking pills, so I got the gummy ones. And it's gonna start eat up some green banana, other grown provisions, because it's getting cold and this is not the weather for me. Don't like it. I don't like the winter. I hate the winter so bad. I hate the winter so bad. But I'm gonna see my baby, the love of my life. I'm gonna see my Kimani. I need to get something to eat though before I go on this van, because I'm hungry. And if I don't eat, because this is like a 2-hour ride to PA, so if I don't eat, yeah, I'm gonna be car sick. But I'm gonna eat something. I'm going to this Spanish spot right here on Broadway, and they always nice food. The food actually tastes good. I'm not a big fan of Spanish food, but it tastes good. It's right, just rice and beans and chicken. So this one right here, this is nice. This food is good. I'll be getting this. It's nice. So this is what it's looking like. She was like, oh, I'm eating here. Gotta show the vaccine card. Luckily, Kimberly showed me how to put it on my phone, because I didn't even know. And then I didn't bring the other one with me. So, but look at the food though. I can tell you, it tastes good. Okay. Alright, so this one I really have beans in it, so I'm gonna get the extra pimple beans. I usually get the white rice with chicken and the pinto beans on the side. Got a chopped cheese deli right there. I never had chopped cheese, and they called me too. Like, oh, you gonna make it for the 12 o'clock? I'm like, yes, I'm right here. Maybe they'll call you to make sure so they could give somebody else a spot. But it's cold. That food was so good. got off the van. It's like, oh dang, I don't know what time it is. Let me check. So it's 1:42. That's around the time I get here sometimes. Depends if the traffic is bad. As y'all can see, the traffic wasn't that bad at all. So I got here out here a good time. So sometimes when they give new driver and they don't really know the route, take forever. So because the last time this guy was he's a new driver. Well, the last time I took him, he was a new driver, like a fresh. He just started, and he took forever. It took me like 2 hours, 2 hours and 30 minutes. Cause I guess he didn't remember the route, which is understandable because he knew. But yeah, that's how long it took. Right across the street, because this lady smoking a cigarette, and I really cannot stand the smell of cigarette. Like that shit really give me a crazy migraine. I can't be bothered. But it's a little chilly out here. Every time I come out here, I always go to Walmart. Every time I come out here, I go to Walmart. Like I got dropped off at the McDonald's. So if I was walking from the McDonald's, go down there, it's like a quick little 10-minute walk. They need to have a Walmart in Brooklyn, but we know that's not gonna happen. We know that's not gonna happen at all. They're not trying to put the Walmart in the ghetto. In the ghetto. This hill make you feel like you're out of shape. And I'm not out of shape. Because I'm not gonna lie, I don't work out like that. I do stretches and not much like I used to. I be lazy. But I definitely stretch. These houses in PA is like really big and affordable. But I wouldn't live out here. I can't live in PA. Yeah, it's very dead out here. It's very dead, but that's how some people like it. Not like New York City where it's so busy and so, so loud, as in people all over, and it's boring out here for me. I don't like it. I honestly was gonna move out here too, but changed my mind. I had changed my mind. I was like, I can't see myself doing it. First of all, their buses come every hour. I don't have the patience for that. And what else? There's no stores. There's no corner stores. There's no corner stores out here. And the supermarkets is no. Walmart is all the way like from here go all the way down. You gotta walk. It's like a 20-minute walk. So I'll probably more. It depends on how fast you're walking. But it's not convenient for me. It's really not. I need it to be very convenient. But I don't mind my son being out here with his dad, because that's how it's gonna be for now. Because that's what we decided to do for now. And I honestly rather have Kimani out here with his dad than have him in New York City, in the ghetto. But I mean, that's where he be living all his life. And he only been out here for 2 years, so out here is not for me. I don't have patience to wait for a bus that comes every hour. That means I'm out to be spending money on Uber all the time, and that's if you don't. I don't drive, so yeah, that's wasting the money. Nope. That's the only thing I like about PA. It's like the houses is big and it's affordable. That's it. Other than that, it looks very boring out here. I don't like boring. can't see his eyes. Papa. Now we going to Walmart. They have Popeyes. Come on, he really wanted Popeyes. So, we had Popeyes and now we're gonna do some food shopping at Walmart for him. Always make sure he got groceries for Ali. So, I can remember my name. It says, I said, what's mommy name? I thought he was gonna say mommy, but he said Anakin. I'm hyped that he remembered my name. I didn't know he was gonna say Anakin. I'm not even gonna lie. But you said, oh, you didn't say mommy. I was hyped. I was so hyped. Papa, what's my name? What's my name? Anakin. It's drizzling a little bit. We almost there. My baby. We love to run. See y'all back when we get to Walmart. You see? That's how close to the street the house is. I don't think this is a house, but the white one is. And it's literally by the street. Literally on the street. I couldn't sleep. All these damn cars moving at night. Heck no. I just decided to vlog today. Because I'm like, I never vlog when I come out here. I mean, I record and stuff, but I keep it to myself. But to have do a vlog for y'all, I never do. I just realized he low-key gave me the umbrella. He don't do... Wait. He just gave me the umbrella. Because he do not like to bring stuff. He hate bringing stuff. All he want is my phone. He just want to have my phone. But let me give him something to bring. He somehow sneakingly give it back to me. That's how Kimani is. You do not like to bring anything. Unless it's the phone. But yeah, hold on. We in Walmart, so let me put my mask on. Let me get a card. Go. Welcome to Walmart. And it's big as hell in here. It's really big. Big. Alright. Last time, let's see if you remember. What's this? Look. What's this? Come. What's this? What's this? What's this? What's that? Lemon. What's that? Orange. Good job. It was something that I showed him. I think it was a cabbage that he didn't know because his father didn't cook cabbage. So he didn't know the cabbage, but he knew everything else. Because I do make sure you eat fruits and stuff. Walmart is very affordable, so I love Walmart. It's very affordable. Only if I eat these breads. I don't know what this bread is. Oh, it's garlic herb. Get this big bread for $1. $1? Ooh, I don't like how it smells though. It smells like straight garlic, no? Yeah, it smells like garlic for real. But it's soft. Look. I think I'm gonna get this one though. They have other ones up here, but this is regular one. The French bread. See them long? Soft and nice. I got the sesame seed one. French breads. But I'm gonna get that. Really, Kimani? Get a bread, Papa. Papa, get the bread. Get the bread. Only one. Put it in the cart. Don't throw it in the car like that, boy. You're so rough. Just like a boy. Jesus. Oh, no, you're not mocking me. Oh, no, I need a wheat bread. I'm bugging. I forgot that I need a wheat bread. This one is honey wheat. That one is whole wheat. Let me see. This one I usually get though. He usually wants cupcakes. I'm glad he didn't take it up this time. So get a bunch of bananas. Take up a banana, Papa. I think I should get him shrimps. You know, I bought one of these from the last time I came here and I didn't cook it yet. Small ones. This is a medium one. $5.74. You want shrimp? That's it. It's okay. Right? Come on. Beyond Meat. I was supposed to binge try this Beyond Burger and I never tried it. It's planned, but why it look like that? Oh, that's not bad. Can I have drumsticks, man? I wish I could have drumsticks. I'll tell you, my face will be breaking out. They got some good ice cream in here. And I'm mad I can't have none. I thought this was, look at this ice cream. I thought this was rum and raisin, but it's chocolate cookie dough. I don't eat those. I'm gonna show y'all the flavors they have. They got the ice cream sandwich. Remember these used to sell this at the corner store for like 25 cents? They still sell them, but I haven't had one in a while. And them here, please. I used to eat this in Jamaica. I forgot what used to call this in Jamaica again? What way? I don't remember the name right now. I think I just said it and I forgot. But anyways, close it. You're not getting that. You know you don't eat that. Oh, your drumsticks. But I think it's a different. I saw they call it Jamaica. I don't think that's the name, right? I don't think that's the name they call it. But I never ate those. They have the funfetti ice cream. Watermelon. I love watermelon. It's too cold to eat all this stuff. Like I said, I'm anemic, so I don't want none of this. But in the summertime, I was looking at it like, oh, this looks good. Like, should I have? Like, I picked it up and I put it back down because I'm not, like I told y'all, my face is sensitive and sugar do not agree with me. So I put it back. I never got it. But some of them, they have no sugar ice cream too. But look at this one. Oh, I like the colors. What ice cream? Is this vegan? What is this? What about sugar? This have 22 grams of sugar in this little thing. Wow. Ben & Jerry's. Have I ever had Ben & Jerry's? I don't think so. See, like I said, I'm not a... Look at the Netflix and chill. Wow. I saw this online and I never saw it in person. Strawberry cheesecake. Ooh. Yeah, staying away from sugar. I know they have vegan ice cream. Ooh, look, keto. These ones. I'm just looking. I'm not buying none of this stuff. Because then, see, it's 1 gram of sugar. I think this is vegan or keto or whatever. But it's not regular. But I'm a simple person. Stuff, I just do the regular vanilla with a rum and raisin and great nuts. I'm not doing any other stuff there. I don't do those other types of ice cream. They have peanut butter half baked. I didn't even know this brand have ice cream. Y'all know this? Y'all knew this? I did not know this brand had ice cream. Wow. Okay, your waffles. Hey, boy, go get the waffle topper. Get two. Get another one. Get two.
Get two.
He just be throwing up stuff. I saw a video on TikTok where this guy, he was so OCD with the cart. He was just packing stuff on top of stuff. But I don't want him to touch them with the meat, with the thing, the frozen stuff, the bread. So. But these ones, the Walmart brand, these tasting good too. Buttermilk pancake tastes good, but you know Eggo is gold. So that's what I used to eat when I was younger. Eggo waffles and pancakes. I don't remember pancakes, but I remember waffles. We probably had pancakes too, but I don't remember right now. But the Eggos is everything. But don't sleep on the Great Value brand though. Do not sleep on Great Value brand because come on, let's go in this pot. It tastes very good. Let's see what do we need from this aisle. I guess I'm the person that go in every aisle because I do that. Oh, let me show y'all. They pizza. Their pizza is good. I always come and get this one. The rising crust one, that one right there. Or the one with the what's the other one called? With everything on it. I don't see it right now. The DiGiorno pizza tastes good too. That's one of my favorites, the DiGiorno. I haven't had it in a while though, not gonna lie. Because I saw, oh there you go, the Supreme up there. Because I saw this one and I was like, the brand, I was like, wow. For $2? For $2.78? And the DiGiorno is like, what does it say, $5? Yeah. But y'all know DiGiorno pizza tastes good. Not the thin crust. I never had the thin crust. I had the rising crust or the regular one. But the DiGiorno pizza tastes very good. Hey. What do you need? Oreo. That's the only sweet thing you eat, so. And you don't eat it all the time. Hold on. You don't need garlic powder? No. Onion powder. I have all that stuff already. Tomato made with sugar. Why do they have tomato made with sugar? Really? Ooh, tomato made with sugar. Hey, bugging. I got the Chick-fil-A sauce, the Polynesian sauce. This is the only sauce I see. I feel like they bought out the rest. Oh, they got Buffalo Wild Wings sauce in here too. Look. Buffalo Wild Wings. I know I need rice. Come on. Push it for me. My big boy helping mommy. You go, boy. You go, boy. I don't know the aisle the rice is in. All the aisle. Hey, handsome. Alright, what I need from here? Where is it? Spinach. I love spinach. Spinach is like one of my favorite vegetables to eat. Put that in some rice. Make it with some rice. It tastes so good. What is it? It's like collard, like you make a collard with rice. Make your money being lazy. Okay, turn the card around. Turn the card around. Turn it around. I don't see the spinach. I thought it was in this aisle. Guess not. Hold on, stay right here. I'm coming. Pork and beans and rice. That used to be one of Kimani's favorite things to eat. Pork and beans. When he was younger, of course. Oh, come look at Milo. Come look at Milo. Nah lie, how long can I drink Milo? Like I say, I'm trying to stay away from sugar and all these stuff. This tastes bad. This tastes very bad. I don't care what nobody says. This tastes bad. I don't know why they made that in a drink. It don't taste as... Matter of fact, they did change the Milo, didn't they? Right? It don't taste good. It does not taste good. Okay, man. I don't know what he's doing. But the spinach, I catch a voice by Milo. But they don't have. This is the aisle. I know for sure because this is the canned goods. So I don't tell me this spinach done, yo. Nope. See that? Me find it. Me find it. Me find it. Yeah, but so 82 cents. Me find it. I'm gonna take up 2 for myself. Yeah. Oh, here they go, the rice. These, oh, there you go, 20-pound rice. Gotta make space for the rice. Hold on. Put these up. Rice. Okay. You just look at it. You can't even see nothing. Look how big this thing is. How much is this? I ain't gonna buy it, but $4.24. You wanna go home? You do not wanna shop with mommy. I'm buying stuff for you, boy. You better recognize. Shoot. You are funny. You really do not want to be here with me.
2 weeks ago.
Oh well, too bad. You're gonna have to be here with me. Cause I ain't doing this alone. Come on, baby. Alright, let's go to the other aisle. We're almost done. I'll get pajamas to come on because he got a pajama day coming up at school. I gotta get a pajama for him. And a pink shirt because they have a cancer day at school for him. I mean, not for him. A cancer day at school. So he gotta wear a pink shirt on one of these days. This week coming up, they have a lot of activity day coming up. So I gotta buy a pajama, pink shirt. I don't know what he's doing for Halloween. His dad bought him a Halloween costume. Oh look, you wanna be a Power Ranger? Wanna be a Power Ranger for Halloween? Wait, I think I missed the aisle with the pancake syrup. The supper gen. Even the supper gen they messed up. It's got too much sugar in there too. You know the regular ones always taste better than the copy. The duplicate. Ooh, Pillsbury corn muffin. Tastes really good. Surprisingly. When I tried it, I was like, wow. This tastes really good. And I usually get the Jiffy ones, of course. You know, that's the classic one. But this one tastes good. I think I have one home already, so I'm just gonna get one. I have flour. I have a wheat flour that I didn't even cook yet. So I don't need no flour. Should I get another corn muffin? Oh, this one. The honey flavor of the Jiffy buns tastes good too. It's already putting honey in it. Come on, don't miss other people's stuff. Oh, what you doing? This little boy taking up the wrap up. You wanna be a Power Ranger? Should be a Power Ranger for Halloween. I don't think you ever watched that show either. Go go Power Rangers. Mighty Morphin Power Rangers. I think the blue one was my favorite too. I think was that Billy? No. I don't remember. I'm not gonna lie, I don't remember who the blue one is. There's a pancake syrup though, for real. Oh, I think some mackerel. I love mackerel and rice. But they have the Excelsior brand. They don't have the Grace brand. That's the mackerel, no. Oh, see that? See, 93 cents. Found the Grace one though. Let me get him. I get him 2 Grace and 2 Excelsior. They don't have the big one. Corned beef raised. Corned beef raised stock side, $5, 23 cents. It's cheaper here than in the regular supermarket because this one expensive for no reason. See Grace color we are. And they got Excelsior sardine. And I show the biscuit I want to bought this one. The jerk seasoning and the festival. I mean, never make festival now, no. I'm trying to make festival on scratch before and it's come out really good. Nah, lie. That's the first time I ever see Surge at Walmart. I lie. If you not buy one though, I'm gonna buy one. Just to taste it. Peanut punch. I wanna buy one. See first? I'm gonna try the Surge drink here. Hopefully it tastes good, you know. Of course, a peanut. But then, so I'm not liking some here because box size, see? 25 ganache. No? Okay. Yo, people just. What's up? Yo, this smells like curry for real, no? This smells like straight curry. Before me even pick up with something, it smells like curry. That's how strong it is. Wow. Wow. Curry strong bad. Yeah. Not bad at all. No. Yeah, so it probably taste good though. I think it would taste good, but I'm not gonna buy it. I'm not gonna buy it. Yeah, Mountain Peak coffee too. Oh, I need browning. Because my brownie is almost finished. I'm gonna try this one. I never tried this one before. I will try the regular one, the Grace one. I don't even see that one. I see the one this one. I'm gonna try that one now. That's a mess up. I'll try this one. Hopefully it tastes good now. Hey my baby. I'm gonna try some stuff. So Honey Nut Cheerios is my favorite cereal. But like I said, sugary stuff break me out. My favorite cereal. When I was younger, my favorite was Honey Nut Cheerios or Apple Jacks.
Yeah, but all it is colored blue. Yeah, but he might like it.
But
it's not flavored.
Look, they got chocolate, peanut butter. I never tried this one before. That look good. I never tried those. I'm just a regular one. The regular it's kiwi. What's this say? I don't know stuff like that. Apple Jacks. Apple Jacks. It's actually my favorite. Top 3. Apple Jacks, honeycomb, and Honey Nut Cheerios. But not in that order. This one don't have that much sugar in there, so I'm gonna try it. And look, they got the Kind cereal brand. I didn't know they had cereal. I don't like their bars, but I didn't know they had cereal or ice cream. I don't like Raisin Bran. This one is what I normally eat from here, but yeah, like I said, it baked me out. This is what I tried. I tried this before, and I noticed that that's when I noticed that I'm allergic to almonds, because I never had almonds at all. And I said, let me try this, and yeah, I'm allergic to it. So this looks so good. This looks so good. I love strawberry, and this looks like it's a healthy cereal. 1 grams of sugar. Listen, when I used to be on a strict diet, I used to look at the nutrition facts for everything. That's how strict my diet was. I look everything. I'll look at the nutrition facts, because I'm like, This is one of my favorites too. This fruit and yogurt Special K tastes bomb. I don't like the other ones. I don't like cinnamon and whatever. I like this and the strawberry one. Is it strawberry or red berries? One of them. But the fruit ones I like. This tastes good, but this is sweet too. It's very sweet. I haven't had this in a while either. But oh, keto friendly cereal. You know, I never tried keto stuff. I wonder how this tastes.
You got paper straws.
Not bad. 1 gram of sugar. Peanut butter, chocolate. I don't want those stuff though. Like, I'm a very regular girl. I don't like all that extra stuff. This is like this. The same thing. Fruit and yogurt. Oh yeah, I didn't even notice that you said fruit and yogurt. I was looking at it right here and I see the box. Come babe. Let's go. We gotta go on the other side to go get your stuff. Oh, and these. I have these. I love these. These are my favorite ones from this brand. I don't like the other ones. I've tried the chocolate one before. I don't like it. Oats and honey is one of my favorite combination together. Oats and honey. That tastes so good. Granola bars. Should I get it though? No. Look at the Halloween cereal. They got blueberry. That's crazy. Of course they're gonna make up something like that. Alright. I think we're done. I know. Gotta get your chips. Oreos down here. Come.
Down here.
Look at him. You feeding for the Oreo. Oh, little boy. Love him some Oreos. You want that Oreos? Oh. Boy, you gonna... I don't know why I even asked you. Because I know you was gonna say that. You get these.
Trying the house.
Come on. You don't want... Put the Oreos back.
No?
What? Wait, what? You said no.
Oh, you want it now?
What are you doing with that?
Well,
go ahead. What are you gonna do with it?
God, what are you doing?
Wow.
Don't go with that.
We got carrot cake. Oh, I never had that.
No.
Caramel coconut, chocolate marshmallow, mint, dark chocolate, chocolate peanut butter, Java chip, chocolate hazelnut, birthday cake, peanut butter. Somebody don't have no crazy Halloween things. But Kimari don't care for none of that. He like the regular ones. He like these and the regular ones. I think he tried the lemon ones before and he liked those too. But I don't think he liked the crazy flavors. I cannot believe he put that lemon thing back. He said no. Rude. Alright, so I'm gonna go get chips and then we done on this side. Go get his chips. He always gets just for snacks. We have for school. I got a whole sun chips. I tried these and I tried these, and they're hot. They're hot. I could finish it. I was like, oh, hell no. I don't want this. Ooh, avocado salsa. Oops. Jalapeno ruffles. They got jalapeno ruffles. I don't like sour cream. I don't know how y'all doing it, but I don't like sour cream. They got flaming hot Lays. Am I late on this? Because I ain't never seen this before. I ain't never seen this before. Alright. We're taking the cab back, of course, because this car is full. We need water. I love Walmart water. It tastes so good. The 40. You get I'm getting one case of water. This is what I have in my house. The water tastes good. Hold on. And you do not want to be here. You're funny. What? What you say? What you say? Oh, you're so sweet. You're so sweet. See much money I spent today. What was on the gold couple? Yeah. I'm waiting for Uber. Then I'm out. I'm starving. My shopping cart. So hungry.